Hello aspirants, welcome to today's session, and this is RBI Assistant Practice Set 14. So without wasting our time, now let's jump to the first question. Okay, so what is the first question here? The ratio of percentage of A to that of B is 8 is to 5. So what is the ratio of A and B? 8 is to 5. If C is 8 years older than B and difference between percentage of A and B is 12 years. So what is the difference between A and B? It is like 12 years. But here what is the difference in ratio? So difference in ratio is like 3 part or 3 units. So this 3 part or 3 unit is equal to 12. Then what about 5 part? So 5 part will be 20. And what is the C's age? C's age is 8 years older than B. So C's age will be 20 plus 8, 28. Okay, done. What will be the age of C after 6 years? So percentage of C is like 28. So after 6 years, C's age will be 34. So answer for this particular question is like 34. Next one. Okay. The area of rectangle is 300 centimeter square and the difference between length and breadth of a rectangle is 5 centimeter. So what is the area? That is L into B. Okay, L into B is like 300. And what is the difference in breadth and length of the rectangle? It is like 5 centimeter. So by taking the factors, we'll be getting 15 into 20 is like 300. So this will be like breadth and this will be like length. Next, if the breadth of the rectangle is equal to side of the square. So this is nothing but side of a square. What is the perimeter of the square? So what is the perimeter of the square, which is 4a? So 4 into 15, answer will be 60. Okay, next one. So pause this video and try to solve it by yourself. So hope you have solved. Now let's jump into the question. Ajay and Banu started a business by investing in the ratio of 5:2. Okay, so Ajay and Banu investment ratio is like 5:2. Ajay invested for 6 months and Banu invested for 18 months. So what is the ratio? 1 and 3. Okay, so like time ratio is like 1 and 3. If total profit in the business is like 55,000, what is the share of Ajay in the profit? So you know investment into time period is nothing but profit ratio. So what is the profit ratio of A and B? 5:6. So 55,000 should be divided into A and B in the ratio 5:6. So what is the share of Ajay? So share of Ajay will be 25,000. And what will be share of Banu? Share of Banu will be 30,000. So answer for this particular question is like 25,000. Next, A and B can finish a task in 18 hours and 6 hours respectively. Okay, so A and B. Okay, so what will be the total unit? So total unit will be, total work unit will be 18 and A's 1 day work will be like 1 and B's 1 day work will be 3. In how many hours can both of them together finish twice the task? So this is the given task, original task. So 2 times of 18 divided by what is the total work by A and B, which is like 4. So 1 time, 2 time, again 1 time, 9 time. So answer is like 9 hours. So answer for this particular question is like 9 hours. Next, 12 liter water is mixed with 48 liter of milk. So 25% of the water is taken out. So 25% of the mixture is taken out. So 25% is taken out in the sense, so 12 liters of water will become 9 liter and 48 liters of milk will be becoming 36 liters. And then X liter of milk is added. So with this, X liter of milk is added to the remaining mixture. If in the final mixture, the ratio of milk to water is 5:1. Okay, the ratio of milk to water is like 5:1. So here you know, so this 1 part is equal to 9. Then 5 part will be 45. So 45 minus 36, value of X is like 9. So how much liter of water, milk will be added? 9 liter of milk will be added. Next, so pause this video and try to solve it. So hope you have solved. Now let's solve this particular question. The shopkeeper gives a discount of 10% on iron. Okay, so if I consider 100 is the cost price, 100 is the marked price. Okay, he is giving 10% on discount. Okay, that is 10% discount. So 100 will become 90. The marked price of the iron is like 900. So after allowing discount, the shopkeeper gains 8%. Find the cost price of the iron. Okay, so what we will do, we will consider marked price, selling price and cost price. So 10 9 and what is the gain? It is like 8%, 27 and 25. So what will be the ratio of marked price, selling price and cost price? So ratio will be like 30, 27 and 25. So this is the ratio of marked price, selling price and cost price. And they clearly mentioned the cost price is like 900. Sorry, marked price is like 900. That is 30 part is like 900. And what we need to find? 25 part. So 25 part is equal to how much? So cross multiply. So value of x will be 900 into 25 by 30. So it is like 30. So what is 30 into 25? 750. So answer for this particular question is like 750. Next. Okay, done. So Radha is 4 years younger than Seema. So Radha is 4 years younger than Seema and Geeta is 6 years elder than Seema. Okay, Geeta is 6 years elder than Seema. So age of Geeta is double the age of Radha. Okay, so if I add these two things, what you will be getting? You will be getting Geeta minus Radha is like 10 years. Okay, so age of Geeta is double the age of Radha. Okay, so based on this, so see Geeta is 2 times of Radha. Okay, so 2R minus R is like 10. So what is Radha's percentage? Radha's percentage is like 10. So answer for this particular question is like 10. Next. Aditya got some amount of money from his father. In how many years will the ratio of money and interest obtained from it be 10:3 at 6% per annum? Okay, fine. So what is the principal amount? Principal amount is like 10. What is the rate of interest? 6%. And what is the interest gained? 3. Okay, so into time by 100. It is going to get cancelled. So this is 3 times and this is like 5 times. Anyhow 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So time is like 5 years. So answer for this particular question, answer will be 5 years. Next. Find the difference between difference of CA and SI for 3 years and difference of C and SI for 2 years if principal is 2000 and rate is like 10% per annum. So rate of interest is like 10%. For 2 years, compound interest will be 21% and simple interest will be 20%. So difference is like 1%. So what is 1% of 2000? It is like 20. And for 3 years, compound interest will be 33.1%. Simple interest will be 30%. So what is the difference here? 3.1%. Okay, and what we need to find? We need to find the difference of these two values. So 3.1% and 1% difference is like what? 2.1%. Okay, so you already know 1% is equal to 20, then 2.1% is equal to how much? So cross multiply, you'll be getting value of x is like 42. So answer for this particular question is like 42. Next. Two friends started walking at the same time to meet each other. If they are 350 km apart and start walking towards each other with a rate of 45 km per hour and 25 km per hour. When two persons are moving in opposite direction, relative speed will be like sum of their speed. So what is 45 plus 25? So it is like 70. Okay, so time taken is nothing but distance by speed. So distance is like 350 and speed is like 70. If I cancel, time will be 5 hours. So after how many hours they will meet each other? After 5 hours. Okay, done. So hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.